You got it. Back up. Back into the white line. You got a defender here, so we got a passing line of 3. We want to beat the defender. He's going to come up and try to make contact on the ball carrier. We want to beat him, right? Left, right, or juke him. The next line of 3 goes through. You do the same thing with the next defender. When that line of 3 gets through that second defender, the 2 shield holders go into contact, go to the ground, hit clear seal. All right, so I need 2 defenders down there. All right, so it's beat the defender, go to contact, hit clear seal. Got it?
Yes, sir.
My pick. It's out.
I don't even wear them.
Come up, support. Cool. Now you guys with the shield.
They got your left. Yeah, man. Got your left.
Clear. My ball.
Ball out. They got your left. Up shield. Push down. Down. Ball is out.